Hey everybody, I'm Eric from TurboSound. Thanks for joining me here at Music Group Studios. Today I wanted to talk about our NuQ115B-AN. It's our 3,000 watt, 15-inch front-loaded powered subwoofer of our NuQ Pro series. Perfectly suited for on-stage work as a sub for drum monitoring or on the floor or flown as part of your PA system. This speaker has an 18mm birch ply enclosure with a low distortion bass reflex port design. It also handles a 35mm speaker pole mount, so you can use this with a satellite speaker. It also has internal M10 rigging points for flying options in any orientation. This is great for an overflow room or maybe a side fill situation, or even on stage for your drum wedge situation, so you can get that low end response. Inside the enclosure is a double suspended 15-inch low frequency driver with a inside and outside wound coil, which basically gives you a higher magnetic density, which is good for heat dissipation and better transient response. The NuQ115B-AN includes a fully featured user interface with a very easy to read LCD screen. This is where you directly access all the awesome Clark Technic DSP features that we have going on, including EQ, limiting, and crossover ability. Also, if you wanted to maybe tell the speaker how you're positioning it, we have settings for that as well. So along with all the great user presets, you have that rotary encoder to easily navigate through all the features that we have going on. Okay, so our input section on the back is going to harness an XLR connection, but it also takes a unbalanced or balanced TRS or TS connector. And we have an XLR output, which will send unprocessed signal to your next speaker in line. All right, so right next to our XLR input and output, we have our alternate capability, which makes this a great option because now you can hook up your M32 or X32 digital family of consoles and directly access through our acoustic integration some of the speaker modeling we have going on as well. But what's also really cool about it is now you can also tie in some of your other alternate equipped devices such as your DL16 stage boxes or your P16 personal monitoring systems. So you can tie in up to 7 alternate equipped devices at once. So right next door to the alternate connectivity, we have our USB port, which will give you the ability to link up directly to your PC. You can download the PC remote control app straight from turbosound.com. It's free, check it out. This way you can go ahead and directly access all the Clark Technic DSP and all the positioning features that we have going on within the user interface straight from your computer. And at the bottom we have our power section. This is a Neutrix PowerCon connector, so that way it locks in. No more mishaps of that IEC accidentally popping out and turning off your speaker. So there you have it, the NuQ115B-AN 3,000 watt front-loaded powered subwoofer from our NuQ Pro series. Make sure to use this next time you want to round out your sound. I'm Eric from TurboSound. For more in-depth tech specs, please be sure to visit turbosound.com. Thanks for joining me here at Music Group Studios. I'll see you next time.